The U.S. filing a lawsuit against Apple, accusing the tech giant of illegally monopolizing the smartphone market.
Fox 5's Chris Welch joins us in studio. And Chris, based on past cases bought by the DOJ, this lawsuit's not really a huge surprise.
Yeah, that's right, Steve and Natasha. Insiders have long expected the government to eventually bring a case like this against Apple, but experts say this one is pretty aggressive. If the DOJ is successful here, it could force one of the largest and most successful companies in the world to change how it conducts business.
Apple has maintained monopoly power in the smartphone market not simply by staying ahead of the competition on the merits, but by violating federal antitrust law.
In a sweeping 88-page complaint, the U.S. Department of Justice, joined by attorneys general from 16 states, including New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, allege tech giant Apple has engineered an illegal monopoly on smartphones.
Apple has consolidated its monopoly power not by making its own products better, but by making other products worse.
It has done so not through product improvements, but by maintaining a chokehold on competition, locking its customers in to the iPhone while locking its competitors out of the market.
It's not quite what I expected, frankly. It's a pretty aggressive suit.
NYU School of Law's Harry First specializes in antitrust crime.
Broadly speaking, it's going after the ecosystem that Apple has put together.
The government alleges Apple diminished the functionality of non-Apple smartwatches, limited access to contactless payment for third-party digital wallets, and refused to allow its iMessage app to exchange encrypted messaging with competing platforms. This is, of course, not the first time the feds have taken on a corporate giant, having succeeded in cases against AT&T and perhaps most notably, Microsoft.
The Department of Justice has an enduring legacy of taking on the biggest and toughest monopolies in history.
As to how Attorney General Merrick Garland feels about their chances here,
The United States normally wins the cases that it brings.
Apple called the lawsuit wrong on the facts and law and said it will vigorously defend against it. They argue that if the government is successful, it would set a dangerous precedent, empowering government to take a heavy hand in designing people's technology. Natasha, back to you.
Very interesting, Chris. Thank you.